So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up automatic weekly Zcash buys on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, I'm going to go to the bottom bar, select Explore. At the top, I'm going to press Search, and I'm going to go ahead and type in Zcash. Select Zcash right here. Once this page is brought up, go to the bottom right, press Buy. Now, once you're on this page, type the amount of Zcash you want to buy per week. So if you wanted to do $25, I'll just type in 25. Right below that, where it says one time, select that, press weekly, make sure that weekly is highlighted, press confirm at the bottom, and then press on the purple arrow. Once you're on this page, you can check out the amount of Zcash that you're going to be buying per week, the fee, the total amount that it'll cost, the frequency. Make sure that weekly is showing the payment method, and if all looks good to you and you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press confirm, and that is how to set up automatic weekly Zcash buys here on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.